Hey guys, BroTechStraight here, back again with another new video. In this video, we'll be working on Blueprint, a room in tryhackme which majorly deals with compromising a Windows machine and then escalating your privileges to the administrator. So we are assigned two tasks here. We get the lab users NTLM, and then we get the clear text password of the users, and then we get the root.txt. And we are told that the machine will take 3 to 4 minutes for the machine to boot. So first, in order to compromise the machine, you must first conduct your enumeration. So what we'll do, we'll enumerate the machine by conducting our nmap scan. You can ping the machine to identify if the machine is up and running. So you just do sudo. I did this nmap with another machine here, so I have the results. That's why you can see the IP was different, but I can show you my results. Here are my results as by my nmap scan. You can see the IP was different. I had to do the scan before recording the video because it would have taken some time, so I just did it before starting the video so that we can reduce the time that the video will take. So after conducting a nmap, you will identify that there are several ports which are open. Port 8080, 3306, which is the default port for MySQL. We have 4445, which is for SMB, and also have 443 for HTTPS, and also 139 and 135 for SMB, and 139 for net BIOS connection. That is, we also have port 80, which is up and running, and also we can see something which is amusing. We can see at port 8080 there is oscommerce 2.34, which is available with that directory is big indexed, which this directory has an exploit. So we can try visiting the site. We can try visiting the site if there's something running on port 80, which we already know there is something which is running on port 80. You can see the file or directory not found, which is resulting to a server error. We can visit port 80. You can visit port 8080 so that we can enumerate what is running on that port. On this port, we can see there's some indexing of the directory, and also we can see there's some security issues. We can see that the server technology that is running on the machine is Apache 2. On the Win32, the encryption standard is OpenSSL, and the PHP version is 5.6.28. Server, I think it is XAMP, this one. And you can see oscommerce 2.234 is running on this port, and also the catalog page here. So as I said before, this oscommerce has an exploit. We can use such exploit to identify the exploit of oscommerce 2.34. You can also Google it. You can see we have several, but what we need is the one that will lead to an RCE, that is remote code execution. So you can Google this one here, 50.128 from exploit.db or Google. So you can see we have that exploit, it's a remote code execution. So here it is. We can get the raw code of the exploit. So you can download it and save it. Then we use it to exploit the machine. I have done so and I have saved on my machine here. So we can exploit the machine by running Python yeah. So here is how the machine works. Here is how the exploit works. You'll have to add the URL which you are told to insert here. So ours is here. So if it is successful, we'll get a shell. Yeah, we have gotten the shell. We can try to enumerate if there's something on the server. Yeah, we have several PHP applications. So, so we can see it is running on xamp. It is in the xamp directory, the htdocs directory. So what we can do here, we can create a metasploit shell, or just use nmap, ncat, or netcat, the Swiss Army knife. So what I will do, let us just create a metapeta shell then, so that we can make work easier. MSF console. We'll start our MSF console, then in here we'll create our reverse shell. Then we'll get our L port. Let us just say it's 4444. Then format will be exe. The output will be shells.exe. So after doing so, we will upload. Let us first set our handler. Multi handler. Let us set our payload. So we will set up a Python server so that we can download the file. Set util minus URL cache. And then we trigger the download, so that let us see if we get might not, yeah, we have seen, we get the request. Let us first finish downloading. So it was successful. So you can run the shelf.exe first, so that we can get our reverse shell here. Let us, yeah, it's sending the stage. Let us see if we get our metapreta shell, so that we can get a simple scenario. Yeah, we have gotten the shell. We can get our ID for the get SID. Season 4. Let us first migrate the process into another processor. Migrate to want to migrate to another process. Let us migrate to 1236. So in migrating to a process, you have to ensure that you have migrated to a process that always runs on the system. Let us just give it some couple of. So apart from generating a shell then uploading into the system, you can also create you can also upload netcat on the machine. Then you get the command line shell. Then we use smb dump to dump the hashes from the machine. So let us get our privileges and see the privileges we have. That's why I get in the system so that we can elevate our privileges. We're already running as the system, so we can load something so that we can dump the hashes. Let us load Kiwi, the machine. So let us now dump. We can try to see LSA. Now we can hash dump the password. We can see here's the NTLM hash of the lab users. We can see the users. Then we can crack this password using several tools that we have, but I will be using the crack station, which it's an online tool used to crack hashes. Not a robot. Google Plus is the password. So Google is the password. Google is the correct password. And then the next question we are required to get the root.txt. So this will have to log into the shell, or we can just locate it, but let us just log into the shell. So here is the root.txt that we are required to get. So here is our flag. So apart from using this technique that we have used, you could use the xamp dump so that you can dump the hashes from the system, but we just use the longer process of creating the shell, the reverse shell, then uploading into the machine, Contrary to that, we could have just used the handcut, upload the binary into the machine. After uploading the binary into the machine, we use the xamp dump on our Linux machine to dump the hashes. So with much said and done, I hope you have understood something from this video. For more tips, tutorials on hacking, you can visit our site spotlightfree.com for more videos and tutorials, and also our YouTube channel, that's Protexploit. Subscribe, comment, like, compliment, so that we can make our channel and website running. Peace.